Sometimes you can become confused with all there is to do when it pertains to social media advertising and marketing, but remember, none of your efforts ought to fail. You need to be careful that you do not flood your followers with tons of irrelevant content so that they trust you and your business with only quality content. The recommendations supplied below will certainly assist you to comprehend the ins as well as outs of creating an effective social media sites marketing approach. Do not start marketing on social networking sites until you develop a strategy. Choose a design and whether you require outside help to handle the pages. Also, take into consideration if you have the time to do it. Set up a timeline and allocate your media marketing. Do all you can to adhere to the strategy, and also your project can be more successful. One way to expand the visibility of your business is to include a share link for Facebook on your site. This enables visitors who read your content to immediately share it with their friends who might be interested. Gaining a large following on social networks necessitates more than just pushing your products. It can be helpful to post links and stories from other providers who work in your industry to help entice people to follow you. Aim to bring in new followers through contests, photos, and question and answer sessions. Converse and have a dialogue with your subscribers and followers. Engage them with your product as opposed to using sales pitches repeatedly. If customers see themselves using your product, they will buy it. Keep your attitude humble. Most social media users do not respond well to content that is insulting, overly self-congratulatory, or offensive. Remember that the customers come first. If you are satisfied with your results, thank your customers for it. Here are the cornerstones of success. Sign up for a Yahoo account so you can use Yahoo Answers. This online community provides users with a forum to ask questions on any topic that can be answered by other users. Find questions that are relevant to your products in some manner and offer a solution to these questions. If the rules allow, reference a product or service of yours that pertains to the question. If you give them quality answers, people will consider you a professional and an expert. Only buy online ads that offer you good visibility. If you forget to do this, your ads might not get viewed by the consumers you are hoping to reach. Be certain to utilize numerous outlets when crafting a social media marketing plan. Facebook is immensely popular, but Meta still has a following, and Twitter is increasing in popularity. Using many sites will guarantee maximum exposure for your business. Ensure that your site contains mention of your social media pages. This can be done by adding buttons on your site that will let your customers share your content via their own social profiles. These buttons need to be included on your main website, RSS feeds, and blog posts so your customers can share the content they like. Do you want a connection with your customers? Keep your advertising ploys simple by using social channels. Send a message that arouses your customers' curiosity and encourages them to respond. Your company can experience growth when you use social media marketing. Of course, creating a great first impression online is excellent. However, you can't stop there. The info outlined throughout this article will help you begin your journey. Want more information about this topic? Sign up for our local digital marketing strategies. You can start today. Do you need more traffic? Positive reviews that bring sales? Banner ads to build your brand and promote your products? Social media profile covers for your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other social media? We can do it all for you and at a price you can afford. Contact me today. Iris Carter Collins, Digital Marketing Strategist, 301-604-6953, Laurel, Maryland.